Hi there, ready to customize your chatbot? Open your browser, go to ChatBotWorld, and log in. Let's start. Alright, now that you're logged in, click on the Create New Bot button. This is where your chatbot journey begins. Think about what you want your chatbot to do. Is it going to handle customer support, generate leads, or maybe something else? Pick the use case that best fits what you need. Next up, decide where your chatbot will live. Will it be on your website, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, or another platform? Select the one that works for you. Click on Website Chatbot Settings to get started with customizing how your chatbot looks and behaves on your site. Give your chatbot a name. Make it something fun, catchy, or professional, whatever suits your brand's vibe. Now let's craft a warm welcome message. This is the first thing your visitors will see, so make it friendly and engaging. Click on More to unlock additional customization options. This is where you can really start to personalize your bot. Choose a background color for your chat bubble. You can pick from the colors provided, or you can add your own custom color if you have a specific shade in mind. Make it yours. Select a text color that goes well with your chat bubble background and is easy to read. Don't forget to click Save Changes to keep all your color customizations. Next, click on Theme to continue personalizing your chatbot. Pick an avatar for your chatbot. It could be a friendly face, a logo, or any image that represents your brand. If you have a specific image you want to use, you can upload your own avatar. Select a theme color that matches your brand's identity. If you have a particular brand color, you can add your custom theme color here. Select a background color for the chat interface that fits your overall design. Pick a font for your chatbot. Choose from the available options to find one that best represents your brand's style. Click Save Changes to apply the font settings. Click on Layout to adjust how your chatbot will appear on your site. Decide where you want your chatbot to appear on your desktop site. Do you prefer it at the bottom right, bottom left, or somewhere else? Select where your chatbot will show up on mobile devices. Make sure it's easily accessible. Choose a predefined window size for your chatbot or create a custom size that fits your design perfectly. Once you're happy with the layout, click Save Changes. And there you go. You've just customized your chatbot to perfectly fit your needs. Now it's ready to greet and assist your visitors. Great job and happy chatting.